Today, let's try the new Get Ready With Me Squad Goals umapasok sa isip ko. Take 2. Today, let's try the new Get Ready With Me Quad Goals Face Palettes. To be honest, hindi ko ina-expect na ito yung ilalabas ni Mae kasi diba may ibang product pa siyang tinitease nung nakaraan. But nonetheless, I'm super happy and excited for this one kasi guys, mukhang promising siya. Anyway, this is the info sheet for the product and as you guys can see, yung price niya is 749 pesos. Meron tayong bronzer, blush, contour, and highlight. And tatlo yung claims ng product and that is buildable, blendable, and versatile. And if I'm not mistaken, each palette meron siyang total of 16 grams worth of product. So basically, bawat colors merong 4 grams. Packaging or carton looks absolutely stunning, sobrang premium, and parang nakakahinayang itapon. And here we have it, guys. This is the actual component. Sobrang premium and neat tignan. Meron siyang weight, kaya once you hold it, it doesn't feel flimsy and cheap. And ayan guys, ito naman siya once you open the compact. Maganda yung quality ng mirror, sobrang linaw niya, kaya hindi siya masakit sa mata or nakakahilong gamitin. And for those of you na napanood na yung video ni Mae about this product, for sure alam niyo na that these pants are actually removable. And para i-remove siya, of course, all you have to do is i-push yung product. And that's it. After that, pwede niyo na siyang i-customize. And actually, mabilis lang siya ikabit. So all you have to do is, of course, i-place siya dyan. Then after that, ipupush niyo lang siya, tapos maglalak na siya or magkiklik. I'm gonna feel the product muna. In fair. Feeling ko same sila ng texture ng powder, so let's see. Same sila ng texture. And that is amazing kasi I love the formula and texture of this one, kaya I cannot wait to use the face palettes. Dito tayo mag-start sa bronzers. This one is Sand Dollar. Second shade is Island Girl. Third shade is Tan Lines, and this one is Cocoa Crush. I'm gonna use this shade, Sand Dollar, to bronze my face. Very minimal powder. And as you can see, nagsistick naman siya or napipick up ng brush. And to start, I'm gonna apply this sa temple. Sobrang natural nito shade na to sa skin ko. And I really like the buildable pigmentation kasi hindi siya nakaka-intimidate gamitin, di ba? For beginners, okay na okay to kasi hindi kayo matatakot gamitin, and also if heavy-handed kayo. It's also very easy to blend. I don't have any problems. And I also love that it gives just the right amount of warmth sa face. And also very natural looking. Alam mong meron, but when you look at it, di ba, parang sobrang natural lang niya. Actually, let's try adding this shade. Si Island Girl, just to see kung ano yung itsura niya kapag medyo dark. Ooh, this one is also nice. Nag-work din siya sa akin, but I feel like this one was okay siya if slightly darker kayo sa akin. Look at that. Ang ganda ng pagka-bronzy ng face ko dito sa powders. This time, contour palette naman yung subukan natin. This one is Checkmate. Second shade is Dawnton. This one is Clapback. And finally, we have Snatched. I'm gonna try this one first for nose contouring, si Checkmate. And let's see. Oh, wow. Look at the shadow that it gives. Sobrang subtle but ang ganda, ang natural looking. Okay na okay yung kulay niya for my skin tone kasi diba, it gives just the right amount of shadow and hindi siya sobrang gray tignan. Hindi siya dugyot tignan. Look at that, very natural. I'm just gonna use the same color to contour my cheeks. Ayan, side view tayo so that you guys can see. Press lang natin sa hollow. And also here, let's add a little bit. Subtle, but you can definitely see na merong difference, diba? And I love that even though it is cool tone, hindi siya mudding tignan. You know, same with the bronzer, hindi siya intimidating gamitin. Such a nice shade if you have fair or light skin tone. This time, let's try the blush palette. This one is No Shame. Second shade is 143. This one is Sun and Moon. And lastly, we have the crowd's favorite, Pablo's Latte, but in powder form. These two yung may shimmer, by the way, and texture-wise, very smooth. Kapag sinuswirl yung finger, hindi siya gritty. For blush, I'm gonna use Pablo's Latte. Honestly, hindi ako adventurous pagdating sa blushes kasi, I don't know, I know lang siguro what suits me. And let's see. Oh my God. Pablo's Latte did not disappoint. Actually, sa IG stories pa lang sinabi ko ng eto yung feeling kong magiging most used ko and feeling ko totoo nga. I mean, look at that. Sino bang hindi magkakagusto sa ganitong shade, di ba? By the way, guys, sad to say, pero hindi ko susubukan yung shimmers dito because I have textured skin so it won't work sa skin ko. I'm very sure it's just gonna emphasize my skin texture kaya I'm just gonna skip and siguro sa eyes ko na lang gagamitin. To highlight, eto yung palette na gagamitin natin. So freaking stunning. And this one actually reminds me of a Dior highlight palette and ilalagay ko na lang somewhere sa screen. These are the swatches and oh my God, it is just so blinding. This one is High Beam. Second shade is Sakura. This one is 1111 and last shade is Gold Digger. To be honest, I wish na sana merong parang champagne color kasi I feel like that is the perfect shade for me, but dito sa apat na to, I think yung third shade yung pinaka okay and mag-work sa akin. Okay lang, nabubulan. But don't worry kasi mag-eye makeup din tayo. So, yung mga shades na hindi ko ginamit, I'm gonna use sa eyes. Again, I'm using 1111. Oh, look at that tip. And in fairness, wala siyang glitter. Pinong-pino siya. Kaya it looks glossy. rather than parang, alam mo yun, glittery na buo-buo. Wow! Look at that! Oh my God. Tsaka mabilis siya mag-stick sa skin, which is nice. Ayan, as you can see, talagang sobrang glowy niya. Nikki Tutorials levels, ganun. Feeling ko nga lang dark niya siya sa skin ko kasi when you look at this area, diba, kapag ka nakaharap ako, nakikita na yung parang base nung highlight. If you're darker than me, for sure this will work. But if you're lighter than me, yung shade na ginamit ko for sure is too dark na. But formula-wise, it is really good. For the eyes, let's start with tan lines. So, lagay lang natin siya all over the crease. If you have face palettes and may mga shade na, hindi mag-work sa inyo, I suggest na gamitin yung pang eyeshadow, pang transition, ganun. Using a smaller brush, kunin ko naman si Cocoa Crush. Tapos, ilalagay ko lang siya sa outer, pang deepen ng crease. Of course, just blend, blend, blend. For my lower lash line, pinagmix ko lang yung dalawang shade. Para hindi disconnected tignan, lagyan din natin sila. And then this one, sa highlight palette, gamitin natin all over the lid. So, I'm just literally applying it all over. Of course, blend the edges para mas soft. Using the same brush but clean, I'm gonna use the shade High Beam. And I'm gonna apply it sa inner corner. Nakakabuhay siya ng mata, diba? Look at it. And also sa brow bone, maglalagay din ako. Para maganda siya pag tinatamaan ng ilaw. As well as sa center ng lid, let's add a little bit of High Beam. Again, great for beginner kasi hindi intimidating yung pigmentation. It's very buildable. Pinong-pino yung powder nito, guys. Hindi siya chalky at all and also very easy to blend. Perfect for everyday and also for those na medyo intimidated when it comes sa heavy makeup. Contour palette is amazing kasi lahat ng mga shades na meron inside, cool tone talaga. And same goes dito sa bronzer. As you guys can see, talagang warm siya. Kaya perfect para ma-achieve yung sun-kissed look. Dito naman sa blushes, I love na merong dalawang finish so that you can mix and match. Same dito sa highlight, di ba? Yung mga shades, pwede nyo ipanghalo sa blush, sa bronzer, pwedeng gamiting eyeshadow. Even sa body, actually, pwedeng nyo gamitin to as in the opportunities are endless. Moving on sa idea ng face palette, actually, I love the idea na natatanggal sila. That way, pwede nyo i-customize and i-mix and match. Just like what I did for this palette. Great for traveling or kaya naman if you have limited space sa bag. And also kung may favorite ka, diba, this is a great way para pagsama-sama sila. Kung makeup artist kayo, you will definitely appreciate this kasi diba, you have different skin tones na mini-makeupan kaya talagang magagamit nyo lahat ng shades. Or kaya naman for those of you na nagpapatan tapos kapag ka naman winter season, maputi, these are handy kasi diba, nandito na yung mga shades na pwede nyo gamitin. However, kung same ko na hindi nagda-dark yung skin tone nyo as in all year round, maputi lang, pwede nyo naman gamitin for different purposes like for the eyes. So yeah, for me, I think ayun lang yung masasabi kong downside. Yung baka hindi nyo magamit lahat ng shades. Actually, the moment I saw these products, anong nalaman kong natatanggal yung mga pans, yung pumasok agad sa isip ko is that sana, and May, if you're watching, please, sana soon ang gawin ni May is ibenta niya ng individual yung compact or yung pinaka-case, then individually na lang yung mga shades. That way, makapili talaga yung consumer and makapag-mix and match. Diba? And I'm sure gagawin ni May yan in the future. Knowing Mae Layug, nakikinig sa consumers yan, kaya abangan natin yun kasi for sure it's going to happen. And who knows, diba? Baka sa volume 2, ganun yung mangyari and mas marami pang colors na pagpilian. But again, quality-wise, Mae Layug nailed it as always. So yeah, for me, these ones are definitely worth giving a try and buying.